Hello guys, forgive the lighting. Honestly, this might be the last day. Let me switch on the lights. Yeah, okay, that's better. I'm just using the bulb. So guys, today might be the last day. Maybe not the last day. I'll record the compound and my home tour right now because we're in the process of being yeah. Our home is being demolished, guys, because when we had a lot of rains here in Kenya, 2 to 3 plots were able to be carried away by water. So we happened now, we are the ones who are close to the water, and the government is leaving I don't know how we call that space, that for the Nairobi river, 30 meters. So when they come to measure that, we're going to be affected by the demolition going on. So if you're a very keen follower or subscriber, you have noticed I'm not coming online as often. Not even online, I think face-to-face conversation of late. That is because of that reason, because I just feel like the whole situation is just weighing me down, especially because in some sections that they don't wait for you to demolish and just come in. And right now, yes, minute on. So what I was saying, so the demolition is going to affect us. It's sad because I've lived here since 20, I think since to 2010. I think 2010 to 09. That's when we came to this place. We used to live in Roy. So my dad got a place and we came here. So moving from here to everyone now living on their own, it's not so entertaining, because the other place we'll go to live in is Mala, and it's very far from the road. I'm using Kericho. I love their thing. So that is what is going on. In case you're very keen and you have noticed I'm not coming to one-on-one talks, that is what is happening behind the scene. So right now, as I'm recording this video, yesterday I was looking for houses and I was able to go to see 10 to 12 houses. I really got tired. The climbing of stairs, woo, I got tired, and like moving around, looking for house is just another hassle on its own, big one, hassle on its own. So I've gotten one. I think there's one that I like, and before I settle down to that, I'm planning tomorrow to go and check out others. But tomorrow my cousin will accompany me. She has promised to keep me company and to help me get. He has promised to keep me company and to help me get a house. So tomorrow at least I'll have company. Right now, I'm just from work. I've not even been able to eat lunch because my head is just thinking. So I'm trying to just take a snack. It's just pancakes and some avocado. Later I'll take some orange, and I've taken a banana. So like I'm good to go. I can even sleep on that. So so anytime from now you might watch a video with me with a different background or me in a new house, so don't be surprised. I'm already telling you what's going on. I hope I'm able to edit this and post this in this coming weekend. But probably in 2 weeks time clip you will see what a video of me in my own house. Can't imagine. Can't imagine that. And I'm going with my cats, by the way. Right now I have 3 cats. So I'm going with them. At least they'll keep me company. And you guys, just make sure to tell your friends to support and come, they grow with me throughout this journey. We have to grow together. Honestly, when I'm stressed, I usually overeat. So people have been telling me, are you sure you're okay? Because like right now my weight is at the rooftop. But it'll be okay. And I think that feeling that you feel like in your stomach, like it's boiling. There's something boiling. I think that's pressure. Oh, what's that? Because hey, I'm even avoiding people who we are being demolished with, because it will make your head go nuts. Guys, forgive me because of the lighting, but I will end up taking the place I've already seen right by now. The lighting of the house is more content. I think the only issue I have with that house is the tiles there around where I'll be cooking from, and also what else? It doesn't have its own balcony, so that means I'll be hanging my clothes. I'll be sharing with other tenants where they hang clothes, and I didn't want that. I just want my own space where when I come from work and getting clothed. But I think it's also a challenge because I'll be living with other people, and probably if I get such a house, I might never talk to my neighbors. So, whoa! I'm actually an extrovert person, but as I'm growing up, I'm just realizing that I'm turning into an introvert. More than 6 people, they're freaking me out. If we are bonding, more than 6 people, I'm already like, I can't breathe. Please let me out. Guys, I'll miss home. That's the sad part. I'll miss this place. You know, I've stayed here for how long? That's 20. Let's say we came here 2009 to 2018. That's 9 years. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 6 years. 6 plus 9. That's 15 years. I was comfortable. I was in my comfort zone. So imagine going to a place, you live there 15 years. It's okay for you then to live there after 15 years. But if it's like out of your own will. But now, you're being demolished. So, and there's no compensation for what you had built or whatever you had done on that land. And it's not entertaining. It's not entertaining at all. So my dad tells me I should trust that this is a new journey that will bring its own challenges. It will bring its own challenges, but new growth. And I probably will have not moved out from my home if it wasn't because of being demolished. Because where am I going to pay rent? No. Live with them. I think I'm talking a lot, so I'm gonna leave this video there. Forgive the lighting if you're new to this channel. I usually don't record in such lights, especially after I was able to buy some LED lights. So don't run away. Run away because of this. Oh. Guys, lots of love, but then we're just praying every day. The reality check. And those of you who are telling me in person, by the way, if you don't know and you've never seen me in person, I'm a very loud type of a person. So my friends are telling me here on YouTube I'm kinda calm. Can you guys comment down below and confirm that? Am I calm over here? Because they're like, Kick, you are. I don't know why. Because I usually feel like I'm over here. But maybe it's the intentionality here. Like, you get to know my personality. Get to interact with you. Whoa! Anyway. I'm gonna stop talking a lot. Goodbye, guys. Stay tuned. God willing, there'll be here's one of the cats that I'm carrying. So like right now they are more friendly. So there's that one, there's another one down there. You'll get to see them. And comment down below how I should name them. Because I don't have a name for them. So comment down below their names. Comment down below if around here I'm not giving that extrovert personality. I'm calm and whatever. Also, if you're watching this and you've also been affected by the demolition, just be around friends and talk to them. Sometimes it's helping ease the headache than sitting around alone. Because the thoughts, this is the first adulting, not the first, the second one. First adulting is being a grown-up, finishing college and lacking job. That is first class adulting. Second class adulting is living on your own. I'm not yet there, but I can. foresee it. I am praying for it to be good and awesome. I know it's gonna be challenging, so if I'm not around here, just give me some time to absorb all this change. Okay guys, let me leave you. I'll keep talking. So goodbye. I want to say God willing. God willing. Let's cross our fingers. If all goes well, we'll go for a vacation. If all goes well, So that's on. Crisscross. Am I eating manly? Bye.